Welcome to Searching the ATLA Database Online Tutorial, Module 3. In this module, we'll be taking a look at the ATLA Database's Scripture Tab. There are some important things to keep in mind about this Scripture Tab. The scripture list it refers to is not from the Septuagint. It does have books from the Hebrew Bible and from the New Testament, but some books you may not be able to find in the scripture list, books like Tobit, Maccabees, and Judith. In that case, use the search boxes to write out the scriptural reference. Search Scripture Tab by book, chapter, or verse. The Scripture Tab is in the very top of the ATLA database. When we click on it, what we get is a list of books from the Hebrew Bible and New Testament. We can search by book or expand the book and search by chapters. Later we'll expand the chapters and search by verse, but right now I've just searched by chapter 1 of Genesis. Let's go in and search by a book. I'm going to click on the book Job. Let's see what kind of results I get. I get 546 results. Let's go into scriptures and search by verse this time. What I'm going to be doing is building a search using 3 verses that all deal with the temple curtain being torn in two. One of the verses is Matthew chapter 27, verse 51. Another verse is Luke chapter 23, verse 45. And the third verse is in Mark chapter 15, verse 39. Please bear with me as I perform these searches individually. We're going to link them together in a moment. Here I am now looking for Luke. I expand the book and look for Luke 23. Expand that chapter and then find verse 45. I click on the link and this brings me to a search of the database that brings up that particular verse and any commentary on it. My last search is going to be for Mark chapter 15, verse 39. Unfortunately, the only way to get through the Scripture tab to the New Testament books is to use the Next tab. I click on Mark 15 and go to verse 39. Now I've got all 3 searches. I can find them in my search history. The search history link is right above your results area. What I do in my search history is click on all the searches I want to combine and then decide if I want to search with and or search with or. My search with or will always yield more results. When I search with or, my result list is 91. What I want to do now is limit this search using the same kind of limiters we used in Module 2. I'm going to limit my search using search options and limit my results by language, choosing English. Also limit my results by publication type. I'm holding down the Control key and choosing books, essays, and articles. And I also limit by peer-reviewed journals and search. I have 32 results. I want to make sure that I get the ones I want into my folder and then be able to access my folder when I want to upload my results to RefWorks. This is the end of the 3rd module. The 4th and last module is on RefWorks.